Hello friends, in this video what we are going to learn is the how to insert row and column, how to delete row and column, split and merge cell and edit cell size. For that I have one table with me, so I will select that table like this. Once I select the table, the design will open and layout will open. So I have to go inside a layout for inserting row and column, deleting row and column and split merge cell and edit cell size. So once you go inside, here you can see a row and column, merge and the cell size. So first we will see the delete option. Now if you want to delete any row like this, so you have to select that row or just click on any cell, and if you want the continuation, then just select the delete row. Now you can see row got deleted. Now if you don't want to delete it, you can undo, press the undo button and it will come again on your screen. So if you want to remove the row, just click over there, delete the row. If you want to delete the column, just select delete the column. So in this way you can remove the columns and the rows. Now if you want to delete the table, there is an option delete the table. So if you want again that table, just press the undo or the control Z and it will come again on your screen. Next one is there is a shortcut available for it. If you don't need to go inside again and again inside a layout, just click on the cell and here you can see a delete rows and the delete column. So just on by clicking right click, you can also get the options whichever available inside a layout. Next one is the merge cell. So if you want to merge any row like this, if you want merge this row, then you have to use the merge cell. Now before going to the merge cell, what we will do, we will insert the rows and the column. So if you want to insert the row above this heading row, just click over there and it will shift it to the bottom and heading row will be a blank one. Now if you want to insert a row below, just select the row below and it will get inserted. Now if you want to insert a row like this, you can use, there is also option available, just right click on it. You can see here insert option, here there is also option insert row above and below. Next one is the insert column. Now if you want to insert a column in between Tuesday and Monday, just insert left. Now if you want to insert column between Tuesday and Wednesday, you can insert right. So this way you can insert rows and column. There is another option available to insert is the right click and there is an option available insert. So when you insert any row and column, and if you want to merge all the columns or the rows, now if I want to merge this column, then I will select the whole column like this and I will merge the cell. Now you can see the whole cell got merged or the whole column got merged like this. Now if you want to merge the row like this, then I have to select the whole row like this and I will merge the cell. So if you whichever thing you want to merge, you have to select the whole part. Next one is the split cell. Now if you want to split this cell which is in between the Tuesday and the Monday, you have to click over there like this and split the cell. Once you click over there, you can see here option available how many columns and the rows you want inside that. So if you click 3 columns and 1 row or the 2 columns and 2 rows like this, click OK. Now here you can see one small table got inserted like this, or it's the cell got split into a 4 parts. Next one is the cell size. Now when you insert any table inside your PowerPoint presentation, you can increase the height and width of the cell. So if you want to increase the height of this cell, you can select or you can just put a cursor over there and you can increase the cell horizontally like this, the height. And if you want a width, you can also increase like this. So when you going to increase the height and width, the other cells got disturbed. So if you want undisturbed, then just distribute rows like this and distribute columns like this. So wherever excess space is there, it will get deleted and each row and column got distributed with the equal size. So that is the use of cell size. And if you want to merge the cell or the split cell, this option is available. If you want to insert the row column and delete the row column, so this option is available. So what we have learned in this video is that how to insert row and column, delete the row and column, split and merge cell, and edit cell size. Thank you.